Alright, welcome back, guys. Got another review for you today. This is a Wuben 1200 lumen USB rechargeable flashlight. Comes in this box. I think the model number is the LT35. Go ahead and flip around, let you guys check out the back. We got the Eco at 4.8 lumen, low at 72 lumen. We have the mid at 360 lumen, and then our high at 1200 lumen. IPX8 rating for 1 hour. Alright, let's open her up and see what we got. Well, as you can see, the packaging's a little loose. It's just gonna wobble it around and just, packaging's not very good. Got our flashlight. Now this flashlight does feature a zoom feature, and that if you turn it, it'll actually zoom in and out. Not sure if I'm going to be a fan of that. These kind of bulbs, but you never know. We will see. Tail switch, USB port. See what else we get in the box. Standard USB cable, braided. We have our lanyard, set of O-rings. We have our certificate of passing inspection card. We have our warranty card. And then of course we have our reading material. The LT35 user manual. We're not going to be needing that today. Alright. Let's see what kind of battery we got in this flashlight. These do come with batteries, which is kind of nice. There's your tail cap. No grease on those threads whatsoever. Now you got a nice strong spring in there. This flashlight does come with their own labeled battery. Wuben 2600 milliamp battery. It's not a lot of amps, but it's enough to get you through the day. And we do have a spring on the bottom. Let's go ahead and fire her up, see what we got. So we got one click on the cap, and of course we zoom in and out. It is kind of nice that it doesn't narrow down to that little square block thing that a lot of them do. And then it's off. So it does have memory. We'll light tap it. Low, medium, high, turbo, and then your SOS. Overall, it's not a bad flashlight, guys. It is IPX8 waterproof rating, which is it's a big plus. I'm not sure how they achieved it with the zoom in and out feature. It's a bit on the heavy side of a flashlight. You could use it for EDC if you needed to. I would consider this a work flashlight. Anyway, guys, if you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. Give me any comments of other videos you'd like to see. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Thanks.